Why do I jump rope? This is a question that I get all the time. Jumping rope has become a big part of my life. It's become a big part of my workout routine. It is one of the best workouts I've ever had. And I'm gonna let you know 6 reasons why I jump rope and why you should start. Jumping rope is one of the most effective workouts out there. It only takes a few minutes to whip you right into shape. 10 minutes of jumping rope equals 1 mile of running. The average person, it takes them about 30 minutes to run a mile. Imagine you can take all that time back and still reap the benefits of the workout. Jumping rope is more than cardio. It's also a strength training tool. Jumping rope isolates the muscles in your calves and quads, and the repetitive bouncing on the balls of your feet serves to target and strengthen these areas with every swing of the rope. Plus, is a great warm-up for the rest of your muscle building routine. To answer a very common question, yes, regular jumping rope does a lot for the glutes. I know I pretty much skip leg day if I'm jumping rope because it's leg day all by itself. Jumping rope is a lot easier on my knees compared to running. Because you most commonly land from the jumps with both feet simultaneously, the amount of stress on your knees is absorbed by both legs, and this is significantly less than when running. Jumping rope is actually used as a rehabilitation tool, so when done properly, this is very easy going on your joints. I make sure that I either jump on a soft surface or I'm jumping with a jump rope mat or a knee brace. See the link down below for the benefits of jumping rope with a jump rope mat. When I come home after work and after a quick break, I pick up my jump rope, I can feel myself become a little happier. I can feel my mood raise up. And I can prove this by science. Increasing the blood circulation in your body and brain can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. So jumping rope is not only a great workout that doesn't take you a lot of time, it can actually make you feel better from your day. All of the stress of the day can melt away with you and practicing your boxing step. You can forget separate leg days and upper body days. A regular jump rope session improves muscle tones in both the lower and upper body. This is especially true if you're using a weighted jump rope. I often use my 6-pound jump rope so I can get a full body workout in and I don't necessarily have to get down and do push-ups. I can use the weighted jump rope instead of dumbbell. This was particularly helpful in the pandemic. Your legs and calves will feel the burn, but your arms, shoulders, and core will tighten up too. Skipping is a great full body workout using your ab muscles to stabilize your body, legs for jumping, and shoulders and arms for turning the rope. Jumping rope is actually fun. I like learning new tricks. I like getting out there and failing over and over again, but finally achieving that new trick. Jumping rope is just different. Every session is just really different. Where I find running to be the same thing over and over again, you can jump rope and just do a whole dance routine if you want to. You can jump rope and try crazy tricks. Jumping rope is a fun activity that keeps you on your toes and makes you want to work out, especially once you get your coordination together and once you get going. Now, if you really want to get started with the jump rope, I suggest that you learn how to jump rope for 1 minute straight. This is just a coordination proving ground. Once you can jump rope for 1 minute straight, it'll get you started with the rest of your jump rope journey. Check this video out right here. It'll help you out. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.